Manufacturing has changed dramatically and is going to continue to change. It's high tech, they need skilled labor.
Dream It Do It is an amazing program that supports STEM. They also work with teachers to give them an idea of real-world experience they can bring to their classrooms.
For our students who learn kinesthetically, who are drawn to manufacturing processes, having that spark when they see that they can do something that can earn them a lot of money, they're able to provide for themselves and just really start their life.
Don't really know when you're 16 or 17 what you want to do. So getting them engaged earlier, I think, is really important and beneficial.
Will allow them to do some career exploration, whether they know that's what they're doing or not.
When I see someone who is unsure of themselves and then becomes sure, that's huge.